It's been fantastic meeting everybody, getting to meet the other dealers, the other salespeople, learning what they do and their experiences, and how they handle different situations.
Regulator and the other dealers have welcomed us with open arms, made us feel like we've been part of the family for a lot longer than we actually have.
Finally coming to the factory and seeing how each individual step is done and watching the fiberglass process in front of you is really, really cool.
Everything is organized and everything's done with purpose, and it's done intentionally, and it really shows when you walk on the factory floor.
It's nice to be able to get feedback directly from the dealers, both them telling us things they're seeing in the field and letting us kind of talk through it and figure out ways to remedy some issues, and also hearing them say we make a good product.
You can do this type of thing in any meeting you hold. It can take 1 minute and not mess up your agenda, but you start off with the optimism, with the lift, with the value. Let's celebrate the good. You get more of it. Look for the good. Don't fall into the human attribution error where I'm looking for the bad in others and I want credit for the good in me.
Joan is definitely an inspiration to me, not only in the way that she leads Regulator, but in her faith and how she brings that into her company. She has a lot of wisdom and a lot of guidance and is really just a person that you can look to for help when you need anything. She's so kind and knowledgeable as a person in general, so it's really been great.
All the new information that we've been learning to help us grow our business and become more of a true part of the Regulator family. It's been a wonderful experience.